There are so many Nigerians that are doing wonderful works. Wonderful, wonderful works. But you know what? We hardly give them the kind of promotion and the kind of recognitions they deserve. Now, today I want to talk about Racheal Ikemeh. Racheal Ikemeh is a Nigerian conservationist who won the Rolex Lottery Award. Do you know why she won it? She won it because she helped conserve and preserve the life of about 200 colobus monkeys, red colobus monkeys. They were on the edge of going extinct. But when Racheal stepped in, visited the Niger Delta in 2013, she was able to create a conservation or conservative park or an area, about 14 hectares of land, to help preserve and to help grow the population of these monkeys from about 200 to about 500. And now Rolex is helping and funding by giving her this award, pledging to support her expand this initiative across the Niger Delta. Now, Racheal Ikemeh is a hero, an environmental hero. She first visited the Niger Delta in 2013, and she found out that the whole area, because of crude oil pollution, the environment is degrading by the day and by the moment, and there was no way to help. And a lot of species, like this red colobus monkey, was going extinct. And this helped in biodiversity of that area. So she came and she formed the Southwest Niger Delta Forest Development with the help of other communities. And ever since she came there in 2013, she's been able to establish about 4 conservation centers. And that is not all. The one that will break your mind is that she has been able to help secure the lives and preserve the lives of about 13 more species of animals in this our environment. I know every day we come across different news, but you don't come across this one. The Niger Delta is going through one of the worst environmental hazards and pollution around the world. And people like Racheal Ikemeh doing this, you don't know how major, how big this milestone is. That is why a Western company like Rolex that had to come in, give her the award, and partner with her to finance, to expand this her initiative. But it does not end there. Racheal is going ahead to train locals and indigenes of Niger Delta and the Southwest on the act of conserving. So she's teaching them conservation, helping to conserve our eco-friendly environment. I hope you see this, and I hope you share and you repost so more people will get to know Racheal and give her the credit that she deserves. God bless. Follow non-stop for more existential news and conversations. Ciao.